Bien. Bien, tita.
At pagbalik natin sa charity.
Get your tissue and wipe your hands.
Mamaya pa. Or dito na lang. Tapang para mas malaki.
Okay, come on. It's story time. Get your fish. Where's your fish? Where's your fish?
Ate. Ate. Sige mo na tayo.
Here. Where's your fish? Here. There. Oh, here. Here, so you can see the picture. And give
Hindi siya nakapagod. Hindi siya
Come here.
nakapagod.
Over there.
Sit down. Sit down. Not yet, Andy. Sit down, sir. Kylie and Kate. Wait lang. Okay. Are you ready? Remember your frog friend? What's the name of the frog? Very good, Andy. It's Leaf. It's a frog. Can you say hi to Leaf? Hi, Leaf.
Hi.
Okay, we are going to sing the alphabet song with Leaf now. Okay? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. Okay, who remembers the letter for today? What's our letter for today? Andy. You know the sound, Caitlin. Okay, today is letter R day. So teacher will press the letter R and then let's listen to the sound. Ready? Tayo. Every letter makes a sound. R says Okay, Brandon will play R. Letter P for your turn. Very good. Andy. Okay. R says, what's the sound of R? Okay, Hannah, can you press? One more pa, Brandon. Or is the R? That's you. There's R. Okay, bien. Press letter R.
Rhino, that's right. What else?
Do
Do you want to press the
you want to press it?
Here you go.
Okay, and where's the letter R? R. Are you ready? R says.
No, not A.
Where's R?
R.
Very good.
Very good.
Next, and
Letter R.
And then Kylie, okay?
Letter R.
One more.
Wow.
Okay, what's the sound of R? R says Okay, next. One last, Brandon. Where's R? Okay, one last. What's the sound of R? Says Okay. Now we will sit beside teacher. And then let's look at the pictures. Okay. Ready? You're going to tell teacher what can you see on the picture. Okay. Let's start with this one. What's that? Or is it rat? Can you say rat? Rat. Rat. Say rat. Rat. How about everyone? What's that? What's that? Say rat. Rat. look here.
You sit down.
Baby flower.
Rose. Say rose.
Sit here now.
Rose. Look, Brandon. Rose. Okay. This one. What's this? It's a kind of fruit called raspberry. Raspberry.
Hannah.
Hannah, sit down. With Daddy.
I want you to sit down
Oh,
there.
there. Okay, sit down. Thank you. Okay, look at the raspberry. Yum. What's the color of the raspberry? Will you tell teacher? Color? Red. Abby, what's this? Raspberry. Raspberry. Yes. This one. What's this?
Don't get angry.
Kylie, what's that? Robot. Very good, Kate. Good job. Sit down. Sit down, okay, this one. It's a bigger version. Something you put on your finger. Look, Brandon. Ring. Okay. And this one. The last picture. Look. What's that? Can you say railroad?
One more.
Railroad. Very good. Brandon, look. Kylie.
Hannah, sit down.
Andy.
Hannah.
Sit down. Can you say
Sit down.
railroad?
Move here.
Railroad. Okay. Okay, ready for story?
So you sit
Okay.
down.
Ready?
Sit down. Teacher won't start if you don't
Story
sit down.
book for today is about my crayon stop. My crayon stop. Talk, talk, my crayon stop. Yakety, quackety, talk, talk, talk. What's your favorite color, Hannah? What color do you like? Say green. Green, also like Caitlin. How about Brandon? Brandon. What color do you like? Blue. Kylie. Green also. How about Kylie? What's your favorite color, Kylie? What's Kylie's favorite color, baby? How about you? What's your favorite color? Green. Favorite part of your color? Green? Oh, yellow. You like yellow. Okay. Andy. What's your favorite color? Say red. Red. Kate? What color do you like? Hindi niya mahanap yung purple. Green. Very good. How about Henrik? What's your favorite color? What color do you like? Point. Orange? Blue. Okay, how about Brienne? Which color do you like? Point. Pink. Yellow. Okay, sit down. Let's start with purple.